The Montana Supreme Court heard arguments today in a legal battle between Governor Steve Bullock and Attorney General Tim Fox over who has the authority to approve conservation easements. KPAX's Jonathan Ambarian has a closer look at what is behind this dispute.
On Wednesday, the state Supreme Court held oral arguments with attorneys for Governor Bullock and Attorney General Fox. The case revolves around the Horse Creek conservation easement east of Glendive. Montana FWP negotiated a $6 million agreement with the land's owners to provide access for hunters and other recreational opportunities. In February, the proposal went before the state land board, which includes the 5 top statewide elected officials. They voted 3-2 to delay action on the easement, but Bullock decided to go forward with the deal anyway, arguing a conservation easement isn't an actual land acquisition, so it didn't require land board approval. Senate President Scott Sales asked Fox for a formal opinion on whether Bullock's action followed the law. Fox's office determined the state purchasing an easement or buying an interest in land also had to be submitted to the land board. Bullock and FWP Director Martha Williams then asked the Supreme Court to rule that only direct land acquisitions needed the land board's okay. The governor's legal counsel said there are other laws where actual land purchases and interests in land are clearly distinguished.
When the legislature intends to include in the sweep of its provisions interests in land, particularly like this interest here, conservation easements, which are non-possessory interests in land, it knows how to say it.
The Attorney General's office argued the governor was overstating the distinction. Fox's attorney argued if there's a dispute about the meaning of the law, they should follow the procedure that's been followed for decades, where the easements were submitted to the land board.
Governor Bullock, the petitioner in this case, himself, as a member of the land board, has in fact sat on numerous land board votes on conservation easements without ever saying, wait a second, I'm the chief executive here and land board approval is not necessary.
In Helena, Jonathan Ambarian, MTN News.
Bullock and Fox both supported approving the Horse Creek conservation easement during the land board's February meeting. Secretary of State Corey Stapleton, State Auditor Matt Rosendale, and Superintendent of Public Instruction Elsie Arnson voted to delay it. The court will now take the case under consideration, but we don't know yet when it might make a decision.